Hey guys, here is the answers to the independent practice from yesterday. So go ahead and pause the video here so that you can check everything over. And I'm going to teach you the new method that we have to solve systems. So far we've had substitution by setting the two things equal to each other, and we've had a further substitution where we would kind of like insert the one equation into the other. There's another method called the elimination method. And it sounds exactly like what it does. It eliminates one of our variables for us. So in my teacher problem, notice that neither one of these equations is already solved for x or y, so substitution is not going to be a decent way to try to solve this problem. You could if you wanted to. You could rearrange the equations. But what I do notice about this system is that I've got this positive and negative y going on, and I want to play off of that because that's going to make my life really easy. So what you need to do now is think about one big vertical addition problem. So I'm going to put a plus sign here, and I'm going to put my line underneath here. And I'm going to say to myself, well, what is x plus x? That's 2x. What is y minus y? And that's the point. Here's where the word eliminate comes in. They eliminate each other. And what is 3 minus 9? That's negative 6. Notice I carried my equal sign down in the exact place that it lines up with. And now I have this equation, 2x equals negative 6. Well, x is negative 3 then. And the same process that we used for substitution now takes over. If I know that x is negative 3, I can go plug it back into one of the originals. I would probably choose this one just because they're positives. I don't know. There's really no reason. So negative 3 plus y equals 3. So y is 6. And then I make it into a point. And I'm done. Elimination method is really nice because it gets rid of your variables, but it's also a lot less work. So let's take a look at the we do problem. Notice that my x terms are lined up, my y terms are lined up, my equal signs are lined up, and my constants, the numbers that are, kind of off to the side doing their own thing, they're lined up too. If they're not already lined up, elimination method is not your go-to. That's kind of your clue as to whether to use substitution or elimination. If they're not already lined up, then don't use elimination. So I'm going to think about this as one big addition problem. And I notice that 2x and negative 2x cancel each other out. That's beautiful. So negative 4y plus 6y is 2y. Bring my equal sign down. 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is 3. Make sure you pay attention to what you just solved for because that's the y value. I'm going to go choose the top equation because most of the stuff there is positive. That's the only reason why. 2x minus 4 times 3 equals 10. 2x minus 12 equals 10. Add 12. So 22, so x is 11.